In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to rename a list in Brevo. Whether you're organizing your contacts or simply updating your list names for better clarity, renaming a list in Brevo is a straightforward process. So, let's jump right in and make it happen. First, open your web browser and navigate to brevo.com. It's essential to start at the homepage to ensure you're in the right place. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need your login credentials handy. Having your account open will give you direct access to all the functionalities Brevo has to offer, including managing your lists. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a menu with various options. Find and click on CRM. This stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's where Brevo houses all the tools related to managing your contacts and lists. Clicking on CRM will direct you to the section where you can view and manage all your lists. After you've entered the CRM section, look for the option labeled Lists and click on it. This will take you to the page where all your contact lists are displayed. You'll see a comprehensive list of all the lists you've created in Brevo. If you have many lists, you might need to scroll to find the one you're looking to rename. Once you've located the specific list you wish to rename, hover over it. You'll notice 3 small dots appearing next to the list's name. These dots are a menu icon that provides additional options for managing your list. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to the list you've selected. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Rename. Clicking on Rename will allow you to edit the name of your list. A small text box will appear where the current name of your list is displayed. Simply erase the existing name and type in the new name you've chosen for your list. Make sure it's descriptive and easy to understand, as this will help you locate it quickly in the future. Once you're satisfied with the new name, click outside the text box or hit the Enter key to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed your list in Brevo. This simple task can make a big difference in how you manage and organize your contacts, ensuring everything is labeled accurately and easy to find. Remember, keeping your lists organized is key to efficient contact management, especially if you handle multiple lists or campaigns. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on how to rename a list in Brevo. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more tutorials on our channel for additional tips and tricks. Happy organizing!